Hi everyone, it's been so long since I've done a video. I went for holidays, then I was lazy, then I had some issues with my ads and spin verification. Now everything got sorted and I'm back here. Today I'm going to show you an air dry clay project. I've already shown you how to make this 3D clay angel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 2D angel. This is a beautiful entry door hanger, a Christmas tree ornament as well. Also, this is a unique gifting idea. So without further ado, let's get into the project.
To make this project, the first thing you need is the clay. You can either use the white clay or colored clay. The next thing you need is the angel template and the heart template. You can find the downloadable link for the same in the description box. First step is to cut out both the templates. Now I am going to roll the clay on a mat so that the texture of the mat is imprinted on the clay. Before rolling the clay, apply Vaseline generously on the mat. Also apply Vaseline on your hands and the rolling pin. Now roll the clay. Don't make it too thin. Fold the mat onto the clay and then roll it out with the rolling pin. We do this to transfer the texture of the mat to the top of the clay. Apply Vaseline onto the angel template. Keep the template on the clay. Now cut around the template using a cutter. Now I have finished cutting out the excess clay. Shape the edges using an ice cream stick or a wooden knife. If you find it difficult to finish the edges, just leave the clay for some time. Once it starts to dry, you can finish the edges. Once you have finished shaping the clay, take out the paper template. Once more, smoothen the edges with your hands. The next step is to make the heart shape. I have taken red clay to make the heart shape. Roll out the clay and cut it out into a heart shape with the help of the template. I am making one more heart in the same way. Now I am making small round beads. Poke a hole at the center of the bead with any sharp object. Take a small piece of floral wire, fold it in half and twist the ends to make a loop. Now insert the twisted ends into the head of the angel. Sorry for the black background. While editing, I realized the mistake. My apologies. Make another loop and attach it to the heart shape. Make one more loop with the floral wire and insert it to the bottom of the angel. Let's keep everything for drying. It took 2 days to completely dry the clay. Once it has dried, sand the edges to get a smooth finish. Now it's assembling time. The wire I used was not a good quality wire. You can see the rest of the wire got transferred to the clay. So when you are doing this project, ensure that you are using a high quality wire. Now take a small jute thread, fold it into half, insert it through the loop and pull the ends. Leave some gap and make a knot towards the end of the jute thread. Cut off the excess thread. Take a longer piece of jute thread, fold it into half and insert it through the bottom loop. Insert the beads onto the thread. Make small knots before and after inserting each bead so that the beads stay in position. On one thread I am attaching that heart which we made with the loop and beads on the other end.
Thank you for watching today's video. See you next week with another easy DIY sessions. If you like to watch any particular videos or particular tutorials, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to include those videos.